You know the feeling. Driving along, maybe on your way to work or heading out for the weekend, and suddenly a strange light pops up on your dashboard, catching you completely off guard. That little symbol, maybe an engine or an exclamation point, instantly makes your heart race. You wonder, is it something minor, or is your car about to break down right here? You scramble for the owner's manual, flipping through confusing diagrams and tiny print, desperately trying to decode the warning before anything gets worse. For decades, cars have been silent partners, only alerting us when something's already wrong, never giving us a heads up, just quietly keeping secrets until it's too late. The check engine light? That's your car waiting until it's really sick before saying anything, leaving you guessing about what's actually happening under the hood. By the time you see it, the problem's already started. Sometimes, it's been brewing for weeks without you knowing. You're left reacting, not preventing. Cue surprise mechanic visits, unexpected bills, and the stress of not knowing what's next. Strange noises, odd vibrations. You hope they'll go away. But deep down you know they're often the first signs of bigger trouble lurking beneath the surface. Describing these issues to a mechanic is like explaining a dream. Vague, frustrating, and sometimes impossible to put into words. We've always waited for breakdowns, warning lights, or loud bangs before taking action, hoping we'd catch the problem in time. It's stressful, inefficient, and outdated, a system that leaves drivers feeling powerless and always one step behind. In an age where your phone predicts the weather, tracks your steps, and even reminds you to drink water, it's wild that your car can't predict its own problems or warn you before things get serious. But that's all about to change, because the days of your car keeping secrets are finally coming to an end. Now, imagine this. It's 2027, and your phone buzzes, not with a text, but a message from your car. The future of driving is more connected than ever, and your vehicle is about to become your most attentive companion. Good morning. I've noticed a slight vibration in your front left brake pad. Still safe, but let's replace it in 500 miles. Want me to book a shop? Your car's voice is friendly, clear, and always looking out for you. This isn't sci-fi. AI-powered predictive diagnostics are here, using real-time data and advanced sensors to monitor every detail of your car's health. New cars will soon predict their own issues before they become problems, alerting you to potential trouble long before you'd ever notice. Instead of waiting for a breakdown, your car works with you to prevent it, saving you time, money, and stress. It learns your driving habits, checks its own vital signs, and even suggests early maintenance before a big road trip. Planning a vacation. Your car will remind you to check the tires or top up fluids before you hit the highway. No more confusing codes, just clear, simple advice on your phone or dashboard. Everything is explained in plain language, so you always know what's happening. Your car becomes a proactive partner, not just a machine. It's always learning, adapting, and helping you make smarter decisions on the road. The goal? Make surprise breakdowns a thing of the past. Imagine driving with peace of mind, knowing your car is constantly looking out for you. Maintenance becomes convenient, stress-free, and on your terms. You can schedule repairs with a tap, right from your dashboard or phone. You don't need to be a mechanic. Your car will explain what's wrong and what to do, step by step, so you're never left guessing. It's like having a personal mechanic 24/7, always ready to help, no matter where you are or what time it is. Driving is about to get a whole lot smarter. Your car will even answer questions and give you tips for better performance and safety. No more guessing games, just confidence and control every time you get behind the wheel. The future of car care is proactive, not reactive. Your car will help you avoid problems before they start, and it's arriving faster than you think. The age of smart, self-aware cars is just around the corner. Are you ready? How does your car seem to predict the future, almost as if it knows what's coming before you do? The answer lies in a powerful combination of sensors, advanced AI chips, and the ever-present cloud. Today's vehicles are loaded with a network of sensors, constantly monitoring everything from engine temperature and tire pressure to vibrations and even humidity inside the cabin. These sensors send a steady stream of information to powerful AI processors, like Rivian's RAP1 chip, which can perform trillions of calculations every second, analyzing your car's health in real time. The AI is trained to spot subtle patterns, tiny vibrations, unusual sounds, or temperature changes that could signal trouble long before you'd ever notice. Then comes the cloud. Your car connects to a vast network, comparing its data with thousands of other vehicles on the road, learning from their experiences. If a certain part tends to fail after 40,000 miles, the system can warn you well before you reach that point, helping you avoid unexpected breakdowns. Over-the-air updates mean your car's diagnostics and software are always improving. No need to visit the dealership for every upgrade or fix. This trio, sensors, chips, and the cloud, transforms your car into a self-diagnosing, constantly evolving marvel of technology. Your vehicle doesn't just react, it learns, adapts, and gets smarter with every mile you drive. It's not magic. It's the result of cutting-edge engineering and relentless innovation. The result? Fewer surprises, more reliability, and a driving experience that feels safer and more connected than ever before. Welcome to the era of the self-aware car, where your vehicle is always looking out for you. Automakers are making it easy to interact with this tech. Ford's new AI assistant, rolling out now, will soon be built right into your dashboard. It's not just for changing the radio, it's a real conversation partner. Ask, "Hey Ford, what's that noise?" and it'll analyze sensor data and give you a clear answer. It can even help you schedule repairs, eliminating maintenance anxiety. BMW's new models feature an AI assistant powered by Amazon Alexa Plus. You can ask about maintenance, battery range, or even get early warnings about tire pressure drops. These assistants don't just wait for you. They proactively alert you to issues before they become problems. Early warnings mean simple fixes, not expensive emergencies. Ford and BMW are proving car care is about intelligent conversation, not just wrenches and grease. Your car becomes a knowledgeable friend, always ready to help. The future of driving is smarter and more personal than ever. Some brands are building this tech from scratch. Rivian's RAP1 chip powers its new R2 SUV, managing data from cameras, radar, and LiDAR for precise self-diagnosis. The Unified Intelligence Voice Assistant, RUI, helps both owners and technicians quickly pinpoint issues. Hyundai's 2027 Elantra brings these tools to the mainstream with a huge touchscreen and Glio AI assistant. Ask your Elantra about its health and get clear answers instantly. As a software-defined vehicle, the Elantra gets smarter with every over-the-air update. Hyundai's Plios Connect platform keeps diagnostics and AI improving as the car ages. Regular drivers now get cutting-edge tech, not just luxury buyers. Cars are evolving from static machines into ever-improving technology platforms. For EV owners, battery health is everything. LG's Better Re system uses AI to analyze your charging habits, driving style, and climate to protect your battery. It gives personalized tips like charging to 80% instead of 100% to double the time your battery stays at peak health. The app helps you avoid habits that wear out your battery prematurely. Following its advice can extend your battery's top performance from 1.5 to 3 years. It's not just about convenience, it's about protecting your investment. AI is making expensive EV tech last longer and perform better. Predictive tech isn't just for personal cars, it's transforming commercial fleets. Companies like Aptiv use AI and radar to monitor trucks' engines, brakes, and tires, predicting failures before they happen. Fleet managers get alerts weeks in advance, scheduling repairs during downtime, not on the roadside. Autal Energy's smart chargers diagnose themselves, ensuring electric fleets are always ready to roll. One dashboard shows the health of every vehicle and charger. The result? Fewer breakdowns, lower costs, and more reliable deliveries. This tech keeps the economy moving smoothly. Everyone benefits from smarter, more efficient fleets. What does all this mean for you? Simple. More savings. Less stress. Predictive maintenance catches small problems before they become big, expensive ones. No more surprise breakdowns or wallet-busting repairs. Your car tells you what it needs, when it needs it. No guesswork. You get the most life out of every part based on real data. The constant worry about reliability fades away. Car ownership becomes simpler, safer, and more enjoyable. The payoff? Peace of mind every time you drive. We're on the edge of a new era, cars that talk back, learn, and look out for us. For the first time, your car is an active partner in its own health. AI-powered vehicles will make roads safer and lives easier. Mechanics diagnose faster, fleets run smoother, and drivers feel secure. The fear of sudden breakdowns and surprise bills will soon be history. Your car is now a self-aware companion, always working to keep you safe. The road ahead is paved with intelligence and peace of mind. Next time you get behind the wheel, remember, you're driving the future. It's not just a car, it's your smartest, most reliable partner yet. And the best part? The journey's only just begun.